Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your trusted source for expanding your vocabulary and understanding the nuances of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word inflicting. So, what does inflicting mean in English? Simply put, inflicting refers to the act of causing something unpleasant or painful to be suffered by someone or something. It often carries a negative connotation, implying harm or discomfort. According to various dictionaries, inflicting can be used in contexts such as inflicting pain, inflicting damage, or inflicting punishment. Now, let's explore some synonyms that can be used interchangeably with inflicting. These include imposing, administering, delivering, and wreaking. Each of these words offers a slightly different shade of meaning, allowing you to choose the most appropriate term for your context. For instance, you might say, the storm inflicted significant damage on the coastal town, or the teacher imposed a strict penalty for cheating. Understanding these synonyms can help you articulate your thoughts more precisely. That wraps up our exploration of inflicting. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is key to expressing yourself more effectively. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.